of the key elements of Vision 2030 that we're working on is building the economy of our region, not just of Saudi Arabia. So, when we talk about what we do with our neighbors, it's all about investing. It's all about building sustainable economic growth.
المملكة عالجت انعدام المساواة من تصميم الرؤية، وهذا أمر جوهري ويجب أن يدركه الجميع. ولم تكن المرأة طرف أخير في هذه الدراسة، وبعد ذلك بحثنا عن موقعنا في هذه المعادلة.
We are also looking at our region, and we want it to be a role model for the region, and we are encouraging a lot of the countries around us to really do reform, and we are changing the way we provide assistance and development assistance. According to the OECD, Saudi is ranking #1 in the official development assistance when it comes to GNI. And we used to give direct grants and deposits without strings attached, and we are changing that. We are working with multilateral institutions to actually say we need to see reforms. We are taxing our people. We are expecting also others to do the same, to do their efforts. We want to help, but we want you to also to do your